Hey there, people. Well, we're on the road. Let's see if we can find some scrap. Since I got my brakes fixed, that's all good. Well, I do a little walk around in my truck and I got a flat, like right down to the ground. So a good thing for my little trusty air compressor. Handiest thing ever. So I filled her up. We'll see if it holds. Just gotta gas up this pig and see if we can find any scrap. So scrap on, scrappy scrap. Yeah, my brakes feel better than ever. Like, all I did is I bled them right from the master cylinder like 5-6 times, whatever it was. I got brakes from hell now. See? I'm just meeting Shelly at the Canadian Tire store. We're gonna gas up there because, like I said before, we borrow her mom's card and we get 10 cents off a liter, so that helps. So we're gonna gas this up and the Jeep up. Like, this weather has been messed lately. Like, we were up to plus 12 Celsius the other day, and last night was minus 21. Right now it's minus 7. It's nice and sunny though. Okay, let's go gas this pig up. Shelly's been waiting for me for a while there. She wasn't expecting me to get a flat, I guess. There we go. Should be good for a little while anyway. Okay, let's go find some scrap. I got an email the other day from my sister. She says she has a dishwasher for me, but she's putting it to the curb, so let's see if it's still there. Yeah, it's on her deck. We'll grab that. Bird's got anything for me? Water tank. Yay, I made it back home. Well, anyway, I had to cut that little scrap run pretty short there after I picked up that hot water tank. Had no brakes. Brake line blew. Driver's side. So anyway, let's go fix that. Well, anyway, that's where she broke. So Buddy Gee showed up to give me a hand. We got the old line pulled off. There's the old fucker. You got the new one. Should go pretty smoothly. Well, I bought some new tools just for this job, Gee. So I guess we got the brakes fixed. I'm on the road. Anyway, they're a bit smushy, wishy. But I'm gonna have to do a lot of bleeding. I gotta bleed all the 4 wheels, obviously, but we're stopping nice. I'm not gonna do any scrapping today. We decided we're just gonna drink. So I've been to the beer store. I'm gonna go to hit the liquor store. Let's get it on. Start from the end and work your way forward. Life lesson. Muslim out.
This is a plan for fucking disaster. When you get upset and you grab the board and you throw it out my window. Crack! I'm sorry, G. I know that song.
Especially with simple theatrical equipment and in ancient theaters. Thirdly,
There's
this is my favorite.
infused
You travel to rural
sessions.
areas to swindle the inhabitants, sell defective merchandise, etc. My name is Chris, and I love to play music.
Ah! Is that how you do it?
Well, I should blend this into this video. Oh, it's too fancy for me. I know what I know. Like, he's not a metal fucking washboard player. That's the problem. He's all into this cowbell bullshit. Like, I don't know how to play it on my first day. It's just not tuned right, you know what I mean? Like, the pick's too big, too. The scissors? Oh, there you go. So the washboard's out of tune, man. We should look at that. Try another time. Is that okay?
Yeah.
No, we gotta make it pick looking. The pick of destiny. It's close enough.
Is it my face on there even? Yeah. That'd be funny.
It's the pick of destiny, buddy. Okay, we got the pick of destiny. Okay, we're doing this song for you guys. But it's gonna be metal. Well, I got a message from a local YouTuber, Y2KXJ. He's got a spare shelter logic for me. Like he said, all the poles are good, the tarp's a bit ripped. So I'm having issues with this one. Maybe I can rebuild it and get another year out of it. Okay, anyway, let's go. Well, I'm on Y2KXJ's street, and there's a humidifier or dehumidifier or something. Might as well pick that up. Right on. Mike set me up pretty good. Maybe now I'll be able to rebuild my shelter logic. That's awesome. Lots of goodies. A little bit of everything in here. See, that's where my shelter is letting go, is right at the back. The rest held up pretty good, it's just there. So I can replace the poles and maybe get another year or two out of it. Another buddy of mine, he set me up with this stuff last week. Got a bunch of lead in here. And whatever this thing is, some kind of fancy pipe. Weird junk. Oh yeah, and this old school pipe wrench. That's gotta be old. I'll show you guys the damage inside. See, just back there, she let go. The ladder trick worked for this winter. It won't work again, but at least I got spare parts for it. Well, blue's gonna be coming out soon, I hope. If we stop getting all this snow, holy crap. Alright, let's go in for some beers. Right on, people. Well, thanks for watching. I really appreciate that. Cheers. And we'll talk to you guys later.